Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of computers. And today we will be solving the concept sheets of the chapter Understanding Windows 7. Okay. Now, there are some shortcut keys. Now, shortcut keys are meant to execute certain functions which requires lots of steps, right? So to save time, there are some shortcut keys that by pressing them directly that function occurs, right? So it's time that we all should be well aware of these shortcut keys as they save a lot of time. Now the first one here is undo. Now for undo, the simple command what we press is we press two keys. First is control ctrl. I'm writing for control key, and along with that we have to press the letter Z, right? Both together. First you press the control key and then you put your finger on the Z key where alphabet Z is written, right? And then press it. You will find that whatever you have done gets undo and the previous thing which was there appears on the screen. The second command is cut. Now for cut, control remains the same and Z now changes to something else. It will be now letter X, control plus X, that is cut, right? The moment you press first control and then X together, see both needs to be pressed together, the whatever you have highlighted, whatever portion of that gets removed from the screen which is visible to you, right? Now next third is copy. For copy what you need to do is you need control will be there, right? And next to control what you do is you press letter C, right? So what happens is the selected portion gets copied. Unlike cut, that portion is not removed from the screen, it is still there, but you can paste that portion at some other file or some other place, right? So control plus C is the copy command. Okay, next is paste. Now for paste what you need to do is the control key remains the same, and for pasting it what we will be doing is we will not be pressing P, letter P here, rather we will be pressing alphabet V here. Okay, we will be pressing which alphabet here? That has to be alphabet V. Okay, alphabet V. Let me write it. Okay, next we have select all. Yeah, for select all, control key remains the same, and then what we press is alphabet capital A or A, right? Control plus A. Now plus sign means that you have to press both together, right? Get it very straight. If you will be pressing and leaving, suppose if you are pressing control first, then do not leave it, keep it pressed and then press A. The moment you will leave it, only alphabet A will appear on the screen, right? When you will press these two keys, unless and until these two keys are not pressed simultaneously, the operation of select all. And next is refresh windows. For refresh window there is a very simple command. Do not need to press any control or a, simply press, there is a button there, F5, so windows automatically gets refreshed. Right. Now, see children, we are here at this moment, F5. After F5, what happens? There is this one, open the start menu. For opening the start menu, what you need to press is Control, CTRL plus Escape, ESC. Same alphabets are written on the keyboard, you have to press them, right? Both together, so it will open the start menu. Next is save the current file option. To save, now here we have to just save it, it's not save as. So for saving we need to press control and then plus S, right? The dialog box will appear in which there will be many options like save as, or so if you just need to save if the file name is correct, right? You just click on the save option. If you want to give it another file name, go to save as option. Okay, rest I'm leaving you to do for the homework. I think it's very simple. The moment you go through the text in your chapter, you will be well aware of that. Now, see, write true and false for the following statement. Windows 7 has security tools that are used to keep your, yes, very true. They have security tools. There are some, right? What are they? You can read it from the chapter. So absolutely correct. No, not you are not supposed to tick mark here. You are supposed to write T. We can access all the files and folders stored in the computer through the computer icon. True, very true. We can access, but there are some hidden files also which we cannot. So here the answer should not be true. It should be false here. Okay. Now, and the rest too I'm leaving you for the homework. Okay, so now let me move to the other third part. Write one word for each. It's an operating system by the Microsoft. We all know it is what it is Windows. It is the operating system of the Microsoft. Second, it is the screen that appears when computer is left idle. It is the screensaver, right? It is the screensaver, second one. Okay, let me see if I could write here screen, screen, then saver, saver. Okay, I leave the remaining three for you to do for your homework, right? So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.